First, I started the name of Allah. Then, my name is Feysal Abuukar Abdulle. I attended Hormuz School. And I wanted to thank here first Allah. Second, I wanted to thank here my teachers. And also, I wanted to suggest here lecture about reciting the Quran. The Prophet ﷺ said, on the day of the judgment, the Quran will intercede for devotee. Oh Allah, this devotee lost his night sleep for my sake, Abdulle, accepting my intercession on his behalf. Allah will grant on this request on the day of judgment. Everyone will be looking for help, just as people do today when they are brought before answering a case. They look for the best lawyers, and they prepare to pay any fees that lawyers ask for. According to the hadith of the Prophet, the Quran is our best layer on the day of judgment. It will ask for forgiveness for those who recite the Quran. Also, the Prophet ﷺ has shown us the many benefits that we get from reciting the Quran.